Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the connection works reliably. Plug your iPhone into the PC with a certified cable, unlock the phone, and tap Trust this computer. This authorizes data transfer. On Windows, installing iTunes ensures drivers install automatically, while Photos or File Explorer can import media. Make sure both devices have current updates to avoid driver mismatches. Once done, open the Import or Camera app on your PC so it can detect the device and negotiate the camera stream or file access. Next, you configure camera access and choose a method: file transfer versus live stream. For file transfer, use Photos or File Explorer and import from the connected device. For live camera use, install a companion app on both devices, NDI or Epoch Cam, then enable camera permissions in iPhone settings camera so the app can stream. On the PC side, open your target program and select the new virtual camera device. Make sure both apps are on the same network if using Wi-Fi streaming. Wired gives lower latency. To finish, you test the camera feed and tweak resolution and frame rate for stable performance. If you see lag or dropouts, switch to a USB connection and close any conflicting apps that hold the camera. Reconnect, and when prompted, tap Trust this computer again to reauthorize. If the PC still doesn't detect the iPhone, update drivers, reinstall the companion or iTunes software, and check firewall settings that might block streaming. One key tip: restarting both devices often clears permission or driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.